everyone, my name is Rahma, and today I'm excited to explore the intercultural communication themes in the movie The Hundred Foot Journey. This film is a beautiful tale of how Indian and French culture connect through the universal language of food. This presentation will guide us through five main points: the contrasting communication style in the film, the struggle to balance culture identity, how stereotypes are challenged, the resolution of cultural conflict, and finally, lesson learned. The Kadam family who migrated from India to a small town in France to start a new life. They opened an Indian restaurant directly across from Madame Marolly's Michelin-starred French restaurant. This set the stage for a cultural clash where competition, prejudice, and misunderstanding arise. But beneath the rivalry lies the potential for collaboration and harmony. Madame Mallory, representing French culture, is formal, reserved, and perfection-driven. Meanwhile, the Kadam family embodies Indian culture with a expressive, emotional, and community-oriented. These differences create misunderstanding and conflict, as both sides initially struggle to appreciate each other's perspective. When Hassan offers Madame Mallory an Indian dish hoping to share his passion, however, Madame Mallory dismisses it as too bold, reflecting her commitment to French culinary tradition. Hassan interprets this as a rejection, but it's more about Madame Mallory's resistance to change than the dish itself. Hassan's journey is a powerful representation of balancing cultural identity. He honors his Indian heritage through the flavor he creates while immersing himself in the discipline and technique of French cuisine. His story mirrors the struggle many immigrants face. Hassan's innovation shines when he combines Indian spices with traditional French dishes. This not only wins the heart of his mentor but also redefines what it means to be a chef. His journey teaches us that blending identities can lead to groundbreaking achievements. The film challenges several cultural stereotypes. Madame Mallory initially views Indian food as less sophisticated, while the Kadam family sees French chef as a rigid and elitist. Over time, both sides break this prejudice, learning to respect and value each other's traditions and talent. One of the most moving moments is when Madame Mallory tastes Hassan's dish. Her expression changes from skepticism to admiration, showing that food can break down even the most ingredient biases. As the story unfolds, Madame Mallory and the Kadam family move beyond their initial hostility. Through shared experiences and mutual respect, they form a partnership that benefits both restaurants and symbolizes cultural harmony. Hassan's culinary innovation demonstrates the beauty of collaboration. By blending Indian spices with French technique, he creates dishes that transcend cultural boundaries, proving that diversity fosters creativity. The vibrant colors of the Kadam family's kitchen contrast with the sleek elegance of Madame Mallory's restaurant. This visual storytelling highlights the cultural differences and eventual harmony between the two worlds. The film's soundtrack merges Indian and French melodies, symbolizing how art can break culture divides. This subtle yet impactful element reinforces the theme of unity. The Hundred Foot Journey reminds us that diversity isn't a barrier, it's a strength. When we respect and embrace differences, we open doors to growth, innovation, and deeper connection. In a world that's becoming increasingly globalized, this story resonates deeply, whether in workplace, communities, or personal relationships. Learning to appreciate culture differences is essential for collaboration and success. The 100 feet between the two restaurants represent the emotional and cultural distance that must be overcome. By crossing this metaphorical bridge, the characters show us how unity can be achieved. The film portrays the inevitable tensions that arise in intercultural interactions, but also emphasizes how passion, empathy, and open mindedness can lead to resolution and growth. By the end of the film, both restaurants thrive together, proving that collaboration is not only possible but also mutually beneficial. It's a testament to the power of unity amidst diversity. From this story, we learn that empathy is the cornerstone of understanding, and differences should be celebrated, not feared. These lessons apply to every aspect of our life. In conclusion, the 100-foot journey inspires us to embrace diversity, overcome prejudice, and find common ground. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation has encouraged you to view culture differences as opportunities to grow